Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on your iPhone flash. So if you need a light, you can, when your phone is locked, you just try to see the screen and press and hold this one here, the light logo, and it will be turned on. So we will press and hold, and it's turned on now. And if we want to turn off, just press and hold again. That's when your screen is off, locked. If your screen is unlocked, you just do like that and then press and hold. The light is on, and do the same to turn it off. Light is off. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please share, like and subscribe. Bye.